Hi everyone, good day. My name is Mary Grace Biango and this video is all about Nerd EI.
What is Nerd EI? Nerd EI is an enhanced method of coursework to help students get through their day-to-day learning process that is using EI technology to assess students in answering questions and gaining an improved appreciation of the subject. The intended users of this application are middle and high school student, but college student can also use it.
So, i-click na natin yung Nerd EI. Para ma-demonstrate natin kung paano gamitin. Yan. Here are some basic steps to use Nerd EI. Browsing chat or listen your text. Or EI tools, learning assistant, content generator, language, easy helper, or summarizer, or code enhancer. At pwede rin tayong gumamit ito. Mag-scan ka ng math problem, like magpipicture ka sa bond paper nga na may solving problem. And pwede ka din gumamit ng general or magta-translate ka. And pwede mo din siya i-chat like magta-type ka ng what is information technology.
Information technology, it involves the use of computers, storage, networking, and other physical devices, infrastructure, and processes to create, process.
So, madami kang matutunan sa Nerd EI at magagamit mo siya sa study mo at sa pagiging student mo.